This is my DBMS chapter 3 part 2 video. Last class I discussed specialization and generalization. Before I discuss abstraction. What is abstraction? The abstraction is a hide the details. Hide the details. And abstraction, two type of abstractions categorized. First, specializations, generalization, and second is aggregations. So now we are discuss specialization and generalizations. What is specialization? Specialization is the process of defining set of subclass of an entity type. This entity type called the superclass of the specialization. The set of subclass that from a specialization is defined on the basis of some of distinguished characteristics of the entities in the superclass. For example, the set of subclass secretary, engineer, technician, manager is a specializations of the superclass employee that distinguish among employee entities based on the job type of each employee entities. Specialization is the abstracting process. I say that before. It is a part of abstraction. Specialization is a part of abstractions. So specialization is the abstracting process of introducing new characteristics to an existing class of object to create one or more new classes of object. This involves taking a higher level entities and using additional characteristics, generalizing lower level entities. The lower level entities also inherit the characteristics of the higher level entities. That means top to bottom. Generalization. It is also part of abstractions. Generalization is the process. Generalization is a reserve process of abstractions. Reverse. There is a top to bottom specializations. Generalization is a reverse process of abstraction in which we suppress the difference among several entities type, identify their common feature and generalize them into a single superclass of which the original entity type are a special subclass. Generalization is the abstracting process of giving set of object a single general classes by concentrating on the general characteristics of constituent set while suppressing on ignoring their difference. It is the union of a number of lower level entity types for purpose of producing higher level entity type, that means bottom to top. Now you know specialization and generalization. Both are same process, but specialization is a top to bottom. And generalization is a bottom to top. Now we see the diagram, generalization and explanations. You can say that last example of employees are subclasses is secretary and manager, engineer, etc. Now also how can abstract the entities, hide the details, employee number, names and date of time, that is attributes of employee. So generalize is a full-time employees and part-time employees. Full-time employee is a faculties, degree, interest, also attributes. Full-time employees is staff. Two type of employees. One is faculties, teaching staff, and one is non-teaching staff. And part-time also, you can say the teaching and casuals. Part-time employees is a teaching stipends, and part-time employees are casual, just like hour rate and any further labors. So now explanation part is top to bottom is explanations, and bottom to top is a generalization process. It is a part of abstractions. Abstraction, in last class I teach abstraction is a hide details. Main purpose is a hide of details, and abstraction is divided into two parts: explanation and aggregations. Thank you. Chapter number 3 is all completed. Now see you next chapter. Now discuss the next chapter, security. Okay, thank you.